what you cannot do. Huwag ka magpanggig. Mapanagutan. I have it in the phone. You like this number. Say the word alone. Better call him, see. Isn't it the guy who left you crying? Isn't it the one who made you halay? Who made you halay? When you remember those nights in these arms, you know you gotta make up your mind. Oh yeah, come on. Are you gonna stay with the one who loves you? Are you gonna go and back the one you love? Someone's gonna cry when they know lose you. Sayaw na sayaw ka ha. Hindi ka mamaya, sayawan mo ko. Bukarin mo yung damit mo ha. Ayan. Ah, come on. More. More. Ang halay kasi ng host dito. What you gonna do when it comes over? There's no easy way. Sarap mo sumayaw ha. Guys, last song na po ako. Mag-e-end na po ako. May gagawin lang po. What you gonna do? Yung isa dyan nagpapanggigil gustong maghahasa. You have to say it's gonna be, but still you gotta make up your mind. Bigay na bigay yun. Gonna stay with the one who loves you. Are you gonna go and back the one you love? Someone's gonna cry when they know they all lost you. Someone's gonna thank the stars above. Oh yeah. Ayan, ano na lang naman yung outro na panghalay.
Araw-gabi, bakit naaalala ka't di ko malimut-limutan sa akin nagdaan? Kung nagtatampo ka ay kailangan bang ganyan? Dinggin ang dahilan at ako ay pagbigyan. Kailangan ko ang tunay na pag-ibig mo, dahil tanging ikaw lang ang tintig ng puso ko. Hahayaan mo ba na maging ganun na lang? Ang isa't isa'y mayroong pagdaramdam. Bakit di magbigyan muli ang ating pagmamahalan? Kung mawawala ay di masayang naman. Lumipas natin tila ba kailan lang. At kung nagkamali sa'yo, patawad ang pagsama ko. Tayo na't ulitin ang pag-ibig natin. Ngunit ikaw lang at ako.
ぎゅーっと抱きしめたい